Most side hustles don't fail because people are lazy. They fail because people burn out, misjudge their capacity, or pick something that doesn't truly fit them. And I know that because I've been there more than once. If you've ever started strong and lost momentum, this one is for you. Let's talk about why most side hustles fail and what you can do differently. One of the biggest reasons is overnight success myth. We see people online showing off wins, big checks, viral posts, dream clients, and we start thinking if ours doesn't take off right away, we failed. But real success, that does build slowly. It's unglamorous. It's editing late at night, shipping orders one by one, posting to an audience of 6, being on your feet for over 20 hours just to ensure that your clients get their food for the week. And if you're not patient, you will miss your moment before it ever arrives. And that's when most people give up. I have been there. Over the past few years, I think I've tried at least 3 different side hustles. Each time, I thought this one would be it. And each time, I hit a wall. Not because I didn't care or work hard, but because I didn't give it time. I didn't yet understand that success takes more effort. It takes a lot of patience, a high tolerance for failure, learning, and slow lessons. It doesn't come easy. You have to earn it. Like, you really have to earn it. You have to earn that breakthrough. And it almost never comes early. I mean, if it did, everyone will be successful, right? Now, the second reason most side hustles fail, it's because they're built on someone else's blueprint. We start a YouTube channel because someone made 10K last month. There are these videos everywhere on, if you watch YouTube, videos on how it took them 6 months to monetize their channel, videos on how it took them 3 weeks to start getting, start earning 2K from their channel. And we think, if they did it, we can also do it. And so we start baking for money, even though we actually hate baking under pressure. What do you need to do? You need alignment. Ask yourself, do I like the process? Can I do this consistently? Does this fit into my life now? Not just the life I hope for. If the answer is no, then 100% guaranteed you won't last. And that's okay. All you need to do is adjust. Don't quit. Another big one is lack of planning. We hustle on vibes instead of strategy. But consistency isn't about motivation, it's about system. Batch your content. Set your goals. Use the tools that work for your brain. The less you rely on willpower, the more you get done. And lastly, we fail because we go at it alone. If no one around you gets what you're doing, it's easy to shrink your vision. Find people who remind you why you started. It could be online, in a community, your partner, a family member, sibling, your mom or anyone close to you, or even just a single friend who believes in you. Just remember that success takes time. It takes patience. And if you don't have it, you might never get there. But if you do, if you keep going, even when no one's clapping yet, you will find your rhythm, your audience, and your version of success. I am still building mine. I'm not there yet. I'm doing it slowly and, I'm not giving up this time. And if you are too, I hope this reminded you to keep unfolding anyways. Drop a message if this resonated with you. I'd love to hear what you're building. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch the next video. We've got this. Until next time, bye unfolders.